Alright, so this should be similar or close to. The handle might be different because you might have a fold down handle on the other old Ashland hardware. But what we're going to do is there's 4 screws in here. There's 2 that you're going to see, one right there and one right there, and then there'll be 2 that come in this way. After you take all 4 of those out and you release this clip over here, you'll be able to pull out the hardware and you'll be left with a hole. Alright, this is our new current hardware. As you can tell, this is going to be wider than what the hole is in there right now. So what we're going to do is we're going to slip it in and lay it down a little bit. We're going to even it out, just eye it up. And where we're cutting to is right off this section right here and this section right here. So we're actually going to just bring our marker up, eyeball a line, bring our marker up, eyeball a line, and pull this out. Next step is to take your Dremel tool with I don't know, your cutting tip, if you will, and we're gonna extend this hole out here and hole out here, across to here, across to here, and cut down the blue line. So basically we're just going to be widening the current hole that's already in there. So we've widened the hole. We haven't completed it yet. These Dremel bits don't cut all the way through. So the next bit we're going to take is this one. This one's going to clean up any rough edges we have and kind of just get rid of this excess from out here that the other bit couldn't get to. Okay, so now we have our wider hole cut out. We're going to take our new hardware, alright, and we're just going to pop it in there. Okay, see how it fits real nice? You do have a little bit of room for play, but not much. That's why we lined it up with these little interior pieces instead of this exterior part. Pops right in there. You can't see any holes. It's good to go. When you come in here, you're just going to drill your 2 new screws into there to secure this. You won't have those 2 screws coming in like this anymore. We won't have to worry about that. So you just have to do your 2 places. You can do more than 2, but 2 will work just fine. Okay. Now, you're going to want to take the sash out. So you're going to want to pop these clips off. One on the top, one on the bottom. Alright, so now you have your corner pivot piece, if you will. Alright, there's 3 screws there at the corner pivot. You're going to remove those 3 screws. And all you're going to do is move it from this screw down to these 2 holes and put it back in. Alright, once that's done, pop your sash back into place. Put your washer arms back on. If you still have the ones with the clips, you're going to want to secure the clips back in place. Pop your arm on. Pop your cover on. And yeah, it's not white, I know. Ta-da. You're back in business. Adjust your lock to go back in place and you're all set.